statement is AI-based solution for bovine mastitis for Indian dairy farmers.
Bovine mastitis is a major challenge in dairy farming, especially subclinical mastitis, where a cow can appear completely healthy while the disease is already developing. An Indian meta-analysis covering 6,344 cows across 25 studies found subclinical mastitis in around 46% of cows. This can directly reduce milk production and cause significant economic losses for farmers. So, our solution is AI-powered early warning system that can analyze multiple milk parameters including electrical conductivity, spectral characteristic and temperature to identify patterns associated with increasing mastitis risk. Instead of waiting for visible symptoms, our system can use current and historical data to forecast risk early, so farmer can take action and seek veterinary confirmation in time.
Now looking at the hardware behind our solution, our prototype uses a Raspberry Pi as the main processing unit connected to multiple sensors. Firstly, the electrical conductivity sensor (EC sensor) measures changes in the milk's conductivity, which can provide an important indication of udder health changes. Next, our spectral sensor analyzes the milk's optical characteristics, helping us capture changes that may not be visible to the naked eye. We also use a temperature sensor to monitor the milk temperature and provide another supporting parameter. These signals are collected by the Raspberry Pi and combined as input for our AI-based risk prediction model. This is our current functional prototype, and we are now developing the 3D printed enclosure to turn it into a compact, farmer-friendly device.
Now, this is our dashboard where the farmers can monitor the cow's health over time. Here, we can see the mastitis risk level along with the factor contributing to that risk. The risk trajectory graph is especially important because we can see that the risk is continuously rising rather than looking at just one reading. We can also maintain a scan history so that farmer can track how cow conditions has changed over time. Based on this trend, the system can provide an early warning and recommend further veterinary examination.
And the real impact of our solution comes from what happens after an early warning. If our system identifies a rising mastitis risk, the farmer can take timely veterinary action. This means healthier animals, more stable dairy income, and better support for farming families. At the same time, our solution contributes to Atmanirbhar Bharat by bringing together our own sensors, Raspberry Pi based hardware, data processing and AI model into system designed specifically for Indian dairy conditions, with technology built for our farmers here in India. Thank you.